The federal government is investing millions to bring healthcare online. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau saying Sunday he understands the stress caused by orders to stay inside and the shutdown of businesses across the country.
If we can use apps to order dinner and video chats to stay in touch with family, we can use new technology to keep each other healthy.
Ottawa will spend $240 million for virtual healthcare services, including primary care for patients who don't need to visit a doctor's office and mental health. One survey recently released by Mental Health Research Canada found the number of Canadians expressing high to extreme levels of anxiety has quadrupled since the start of the COVID-19 crisis.
And if you're part of a marginalized community and you need specialized tools, well, there'll be specific help for you as well.
Trudeau also announced money for research into treatment and prevention of COVID-19. The federal government will invest $175 million into this Vancouver company, which Trudeau says has identified antibodies that could be used in a potential vaccine.
This new funding will help them continue their vital work and will support human trials beginning as early as July.
As part of Sunday's announcements, the government also unveiled the creation of a COVID-19 Supply Council. It will focus on keeping Canada stocked with critical medical supplies and protective equipment throughout the pandemic.
The Supply Council isn't meant to fill a particular gap in the supply chain per se, but I will say that from a procurement perspective, we are planning for the short and the long term. We are planning for this phase as well as potential additional surges in the pandemic so that we can be prepared for all eventualities.
But until we have effective treatments, or better yet, a vaccine, we still need a reliable supply of everything from masks to ventilators.
While the Canadian government is facing challenges getting personal protective equipment, the minister in charge says Canada has still been able to receive 20 plane loads of PPE since the pandemic began. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.